So that's all going in?
Yes, should be alcohol here.
What can we put in there?
Now it's already, you can taste your soup, yeah? Taste this soup. This is black pepper, yeah? And then this is white pepper. And this is Balinese long pepper. This Balinese long pepper you only can get in Bali. This is spicy and peppery, yeah? This is the old chili, yeah? Before this chili coming to Bali, this is the first chili that we have. This chili we only use dry. When it's still fresh, not this. When we dry, it will taste stronger. I give you a taster. You can. This is I already turned it on, yeah. At the same oil, the soup already cooked, the chicken already cooked. If you need more salt, you can add more salt, and then you can divide the soup to the bowl, yeah. Like this. And we squeeze like a cow. Also used to making a drink. Yeah, we add a little bit sugar and ice. Yes. But the coconut, if you make a coconut milk ice, you need to like a grill a little bit to make. Top is the oil. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can smell the aroma. This is not pure 100% oil yet. We need to time boiling.
Can I smell it? Yeah.
This coconut we just take little by little, yeah, the coconut oil. We scoop little by little, and then we move to another pot. After that, we boil again around 10 to 15 minutes until clear, yeah, the milk is gone. If you scoop until down, this is the milk will be like this, yeah. And then after the second boiling, the oil will be clear like this. This is the after second process, yeah. And then to get 1 liter of coconut oil, you need 10 coconut. And then in here we have a cinnamon stick, yeah. Cinnamon stick, and then we have. Yeah, if you get bleeding, you can use this. Yeah. And then the small one, the baby one. This we call it aromatic ginger or sand ginger, yeah. This ginger we use for scrub for the baby, yeah. So very for the man.
So yeah.
You can cover it.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Okay, I can.
Okay.
This one is wrong.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
You have to go to the back of the class.
Do like,
No, I didn't. I go to the back of the class. I'm already there. Helen, they copied me.